All of us, we look back and we call it COVID-giving.
Oh, look at that. During COVID, those are the people that died. It's a national COVID Memorial Park. Ah, bao, aray ko. Ay. Whew.
And you went with like a different and it's nasty.
They have Sea Life Park, London Aquarium. We also have Sea Life Park in Mall of America, the largest mall in the US. Look at that. Just like Mall of America. The London Dragon. Oh.
Picture time.
Picture time, sana kayo. Ihanap nyo sarili nyo.
You have to sit, mommy.
I have to sit? Okay.
Oh, you are right. Oh. Oh, so I can get the whole thing? Okay, is everyone in? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Just like a little piece of the London Eye.
Okay, we're good. Whew. The City Hall. County Hall. Whew. Init. Mga Minnesota na initan. Kasi yung weather nila dito, mild lang, hindi kagaya sa Minnesota na talagang pag malamig, malamig na malamig.
It's not always the case. We got 69 Catano. It's not a
It's a gift shop here.
Oh, this is the gift shop. Oh yeah, you are right. Okay, the gift shop. Kuya, kuha ka ng Krispy Kreme. Oh, nagutom ako. Oh, snow globe, $6, 6 pounds.
There's many more shops, but this is one of them.
Oh, okay. Oh, gutom na ako. Yung Krispy Kreme looks good right now. Kuha tayo ng Krispy Kreme on our way out.
Me and Maya are gonna do the photo booth outside.
Oh, okay, sure.
Krispy Kreme? No, I know a better place. Krispy Kreme, better. The one near Oxford Circus, they do it fresh.
Oh,
There's a factory in the back. They do it fresh.
oh, okay, doon na lang.
If you like original glaze.
Oh, yeah, yan ang gusto ko. Okay, ko.
In the China.
Oh, okay.
Olay.
Si Kuya laging nawawala.
You can choose the like design. So there's different.
See, it's getting busier and busier around here. So it's better to go out early because it's so busy. Oh. Americano, please.
And it's way more than what she's drinking.
Okay, tara na. Half a price in where? Oh, in America. Oh, the chocolate. Yeah, in America for sure. Uy, pagbabayarin ka. Huwag kang nagaganon. Welcome to Jubilee Gardens. So that's Jubilee Gardens. TheLastminute.com.